What is VanChat? VanChat is an advanced AI-powered communication platform designed to enhance team collaboration, streamline customer support, and improve overall business communication. It integrates various messaging features, automation tools, and AI-driven insights to create a seamless and efficient user experience. You can visit VanChat now. The link is in the description of this video. Benefits of using VanChat. AI-powered messaging. VanChat leverages artificial intelligence to provide smart replies, automate responses, and enhance communication efficiency. Multi-channel integration. Users can connect VanChat with email, SMS, social media, and other messaging apps to manage conversations from a single platform. Real-time collaboration. Teams can communicate instantly through chat rooms, voice calls, and video conferencing, ensuring smooth and effective collaboration. Automated customer support. Businesses can set up AI chatbots to handle common customer inquiries, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. Secure encrypted communication. VanChat prioritizes security by providing end-to-end encryption, keeping all conversations and data safe from unauthorized access. Customizable workflows. Users can create automated workflows and set up task reminders to boost productivity and streamline operations. Data analytics insights. The platform offers real-time analytics and reporting features to track communication patterns, customer interactions, and team performance. Scalable for businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, VanChat can scale to meet your business needs with customizable plans and features. User-friendly interface. The intuitive design ensures a smooth user experience, requiring minimal training for employees and customers. 24/7 customer support. VanChat provides round-the-clock customer support to assist with technical issues and ensure a seamless experience. VanChat is an essential tool for businesses looking to enhance their communication capabilities. With AI-driven automation, multi-channel integration, and secure messaging, it provides a powerful and efficient way to connect teams and customers. Try VanChat today and revolutionize the way you communicate. For offers and discounts, please visit VanChat. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for visiting us. Have a nice day.